Understanding adequately. Essential IELTS vocabulary. Imagine you're taking an important exam and you're asked to describe how well you've prepared. Would you say you've prepared adequately? Today, we're exploring the word adequately, an essential term for IELTS learners aiming for that 6.5 band score and beyond. Word type. Adequately is an adverb. It describes how an action is performed or to what extent something occurs. Meaning, adequately means in a way that is good enough or satisfactory for a particular purpose. It implies meeting a minimum standard or requirement, but not necessarily exceeding it. Word history. The word adequately comes from the Latin word adequatus, meaning to make equal to. It entered the English language in the early 17th century. Antonyms. Some opposites of adequately include inadequately, insufficiently, and poorly. Synonyms. Words with similar meanings to adequately include sufficiently, satisfactorily, and suitably. Examples used in sentences. Let's look at how to use adequately in context. Here are 3 examples. The company's new safety measures adequately address the concerns raised by employees. Although she didn't win first place, Sarah felt she had performed adequately in the competition. The government claims that the current budget adequately funds education, but many teachers disagree. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing adequately with greatly or excellently. Remember, adequately implies just meeting the minimum requirement, not exceeding expectations. For instance, saying the team performed adequately suggests they did well enough, but not exceptionally. Another error is using adequately when you mean sufficiently. While these words are similar, sufficiently is often preferred in more formal contexts, especially in academic writing. To wrap up, adequately is a useful word for describing situations where something meets the necessary standard without being exceptional. It's particularly valuable in IELTS writing and speaking tasks when you need to express that something is satisfactory but not outstanding. Remember its correct usage, and you'll be adequately prepared to use it in your IELTS exam and beyond.